My experience in the trading space was great. I had so much support and so much interest from everybody who worked there. I make jewellery out of resin and sea glass and accessories and art, everything inspired by nature. Being a part of the Antur Cymru community has helped me make contact with other small business owners. So to be a part of that community and trade knowledge and learn has been invaluable to me.
I've always done crafting. I'm 61 years old and I've been doing it since I was 10. Come to Cardigan, what a great crafting town it is, and that inspired me, along with a friend encouraging me to start a crafting business. It was brilliant because I was able to have the time to make my items, build up my stock, and then realise that I was growing bigger than the actual space, which is what Antur Cymru is all about. It's about getting you up on your feet and starting a new business. It's a bit like when children go to nursery school, they have to have that scaffolding. Antur Cymru is a scaffolding project and most business people would need that.
I'm Jenny, I live in Cardigan and I opened Three Little Pigs a year ago now. It's my first retail shop and the shop has just evolved again to incorporate lots of small independent UK brands and local makers. One of the best things about having Antur Cymru's support actually on the high street is the fact that I've been able to find local makers that have started off retailing in their retail space that I've then approached and been able to bring to the shop and sell through Three Little Pigs, and it's been, they've been really successful.
I do business embroidery and also country wear clothing. I had a hobby of making hair bows originally, and then last April I sat down with my husband and I was like, should we just go for it? So we decided to start going into the clothing. I thought the trading space would be a good place to go into because I thought it would be good for getting my business name out. We found it really, really useful for then handing out business cards. Local businesses then come in and discussed their own business wear with us.
My name is Nicola. I'm the owner of Cardigan Bay Designs. I sell unique handmade lampshades. I would have loved to have my own premises in town or in the area, but obviously financially I couldn't afford it. Antur Cymru fortunately came along and asked me whether I'd like to join the Trading Space project in Aberystwyth, which I gladly accepted. So I've been trading here now for about just over 12 months, and it's been a huge success for my business. Obviously because my lampshades are fabric, textured, visual and colourful, people get to see them and touch them, and I've had tremendous feedback from people wanting to buy them. My current situation is I'm progressing now from the trading space and going on to open my own shop premises in Aberystwyth, which I'm very excited about, and I wouldn't have been able to do it without test trading my lampshades in town and receiving the business support from Antur Cymru.
Going into the trading space, it felt like you were part of a team. Everyone was friendly, people sharing ideas, tips. We want the bookshop to be a community space, a resource, a safe space, and all of the books here are LGBTQ+ titles. I think on the table when I started in November last year in the trading space, we had about 10 books, and I think we're about around 150 titles now in the trading space. We've taken the stall to lots of local pride events around Mid, West and South Wales. That's been fantastic. With any market, and that's the beauty of markets, you have such diversity, and the positivity of people coming in and being surprised by what they see and then becoming regular customers, and because they know that if they come back every few weeks there might be a new trader in there, or people are expanding and changing what they're doing because we are all testing the water. So yeah, I think that's been a really enjoyable part of it, that it's been popular with the community.
I make stained glass and fused glasswork and kiln formed glasswork. I saw the shop pop up in Newcastle, Emlyn and Cardigan. I wanted to see if there was a market for my work in Cardigan, so that gave me a really good opportunity. It also gave me the chance to introduce some new work and stuff and see how that would get accepted by people. We've all come on a bit of a journey together and we learn kind of about each other, and also it's about getting helpful advice when you need it.
We're Beyond Breakout. We actually started 5 years ago in Newtown doing escape rooms. So we build and design our own escape games.
So being part of the Antir Cymru community has helped us loads actually. There's always somebody that can answer a question if we've got one. No question is too ridiculous. And we've tested that.
Just fortunate.
I think the experience that we've had working with Antir Cymru has been really positive.
Very positive.
They actually listen to what you're trying to achieve and then go an extra step to help you get there.
Yes, for sure.
I would love to expand a little more. I'm hoping next year that we could take on a member of staff.
If you have an idea and you have somewhere to trial it, I think just do it and don't be scared.
I wouldn't have been in the marketplace where I am now without Antir Cymru, without that stall, without that scheme and without the support.
I am the most confident I've ever been in myself and my business since being involved with Antir Cymru.